Well, I founded this event about 9 years ago. This is 9th annual show with my husband, Mark. He is a 6th-generation Merritt, Crawford County potter, and we both just have a passion for pottery and wanted to bring a show to Crawford County that would enhance the rich history of pottery in the area. We had 27 vendors today, and we had several hundred people through here. I did a lot of promotion, various social media, and etc. And so brought a lot of new faces that had never been here before.
And what was the price range for items?
Probably anywhere from $5 on up to several $100s. But we did have all ages. We had the art department from Crawford County High School here, and we've had people that I personally know that are in their 70s and 80s, so all ages. Definitely an art form. There's utilitarian, which is bowls, pitchers. There's a lot of folk pottery like you'll see here today. And there's studio pottery too, which is all kinds of more unique pieces. Find a good teacher, I guess, and they are hard to find. We don't have many people in the Middle Georgia area that actually teach pottery, but if you want more information, you can call me. It's 478-361-4552, or you can contact me through the Merritt Pottery Festival on Facebook.
How long have you been doing pottery?
Off and on since I was a child.
And how did you get interested?
When I grew up, my daddy was selling clay when I was growing up, so I was around it. So I grew up interested in it.
Did your dad also sell it to make pottery like you do, or did he sell it for another purpose?
Right, to make pottery.
And what would you tell someone that might be interested in doing this and why they ought to consider doing pottery?
Well, it's fun. You take the earth, just the dirt, and you make something out of it people can use, and it's a neat thing.
Picture, I make some like it. I do some different kind of handles. This is a rope handle. I do some different sizes.
I had a friend who grew up in Bavaria, Germany, and she had a small baby bird vase, and what you do is you put water in it, and had a spout that came out the beak, and you blow in the spout, and the baby bird would chirp and tweet. Those Germans are so smart, I can never do that. So I took that idea a step further and make the mama bird, and then I have little baby bird creamers.
Okay, Kris, tell me about this piece.
Okay, this jug holds about 1.5 gallons. It's a mixture of red Georgia clay and stoneware. Something that someone traveling through can pick up, take home, and have a little piece of Georgia with them in their house.